Good morning, children. This is your chemistry teacher Murali Krishna, DAV Public School, ACC Wadi. Today, I am going to explain the shapes of atomic orbitals concept from the chapter Structure of Atom. Already, I explained about shapes of s orbitals, p orbitals, and d orbitals. Now, once again, I am recapitulating the lesson. Shapes of s orbitals are spherical, shapes of p orbitals are dumbbell, shapes of d orbitals are double dumbbell. Right? Now the question is, what is an orbital? Orbital means the place or region where the probability of finding of electron is maximum. Where the probability of finding of electron is maximum is called an orbital. Where electrons are revolving round the nucleus in concentric circular paths. In these paths, the place or region where the probability of finding of electron is maximum is called an orbital. And what about nodal plane? Nodal plane or angular node. The plane or where the probability of finding of electron is 0 is called nodal plane or angular node. See, these both are opposite. Orbital and angular node both are opposite. In case of orbital, where the probability of finding of electron is maximum, that is orbital. In case of angular node or nodal plane, the plane where the probability of finding of electron is 0 is called nodal plane. Both are exactly opposite. And what about radial node? Radial node means the place or sphere. It will be spherical in shape here. Radial node means the place where the probability of finding the electron is 0 is called radial node. So generally there are two types of nodes. One is angular node or nodal plane, and the second one is radial node. So generally how to find out these nodes in an orbital means we have a formula, that is the total number of nodes formula n minus 1. The total number of nodes formula n minus 1. Here n is principal quantum number. Number of angular nodes formula L. Number of angular nodes to find the number of angular nodes, we need to use the just formula L. L means azimuthal quantum number. Then number of radial nodes. So number of radial nodes, how to get? Total nodes minus angular nodes. Total nodes formula n minus 1 and angular nodes formula L, n minus 1 minus L, that is n minus L minus 1. By using this formula, you can find out the number of radial nodes, children. And then now we will calculate the number of nodes for s and p orbitals. Here, for 1s orbital, total number of nodes chahiye to what is the formula? N minus 1. For 1s orbital, the n principal quantum number how much here? 1. Why? Because it is 1s, no. So first letter 1 will tell about the principal quantum number. That is nothing but the shell or orbit. So 1 minus 1, n value 1. If I substitute n value 1, 1 minus 1, 0. That means here the total number of nodes in 1s orbital is 0. And automatically here no angular nodes, right? For 2s orbital, you see total nodes n minus 1 formula. If I substitute the values in n minus 1 formula, n value is 2. For 2s orbital, n value is 2. 2 minus 1 equal to 1, right? And for 3s orbital, total nodes formula n minus 1 and n value is 3. As n value is 3, 3 minus 1 equal to 2. So here the total number of nodes is 2. Now I calculated total number of nodes. When you come to the angular nodes, for s orbitals, any s orbital there is no angular nodes. If at all, if you want to calculate the radial nodes, you need to apply the same formula, that is n minus L minus 1. For 2s orbital, if you apply the formula for 2s orbital, n minus L minus 1 formula, n value is 2 for 2s orbital, and for s orbital L value is 0, that and minus 1, 2 minus 1, that is 1. So 1 radial node you are having for 2s orbital, children. In the same way, for 2p orbital, if you want to calculate the total number of nodes formula n minus 1, n value is 2 for 2p orbital, n minus 1, that is 2 minus 1 equal to 1. So there are n, how many angular nodes are there means angular nodes formula L value 1, and radial nodes here you can find out n minus, by substituting the values in n minus L minus 1 you are getting 0. That means 0 radial nodes for 2p orbital. And the same way for 3p orbital, to calculate total nodes the formula is n minus 1. For 3p orbital n value is 3, 3 minus 1 equal to 2. So therefore angular nodes, if you want to calculate angular nodes formula L value for p orbital is 1. Then radial nodes, to calculate the radial nodes n minus L minus 1, that is for 3p orbital n value is 3 and L value is 1 and minus 1. 3 minus 1 minus 1, that is 3 minus 2, that is 1 radial nodes. This is the way to calculate the number of nodes or number of angular nodes or number of radial nodes, children. Yes, now once again I will show you the shapes of where you can find out the radial nodes. Right, here you can see in this diagram. In this diagram you can see here, this is the diagram for 3s orbital, children. Here the white place you can see the radial node, right here, whereas 3s orbital you can find the 2 radial nodes here. 2 radial nodes you can find out. Already in the calculation also we got for 3s orbital we have 2 radial nodes, and here for 1s orbital here you can find only one radial node. This place, the white region, that is radial node. For 2s orbital, for 2s orbital one radial node you can find out. For 1s orbital you cannot find any nodes there. You cannot find, the probability of finding the electron is 0. That is why it is no node here. Right, children? Right. Yes. Now from this only I explained just now. Right. Yes. And here these are the shapes, general shapes of s orbital. Sphere you can see 1s orbital, 2s orbital and 3s orbital. As size is increasing, 1s to 2s, 2s to 3s, the size is increasing. That is why the size also I have shown here. Now now let's look at a cross section of these orbitals, the above orbitals. There you can find out the white place gives a node. For 1s orbital there is no node, and for 2s orbital 1 node you can find out. For 3s orbital you can find out 2 nodes, children. And this is the first diagram, shows about the shape of d orbital. Generally in the central point of the sphere is called nucleus, and along the x, y, z axis we can see here. And when you come to the p orbital, this is the shape of p orbital. The shape of p orbital is dumbbell. This is a dumbbell, children. It is not like a sphere, right? And here also the central point is there. That central point is called nucleus. And this is about the 5d orbitals, children. d, yz, dxz, dxy, dz square and dx square y square. Total 5d orbitals are there. In these 5d orbitals, dyz, dxy, dxz, in that the lobes are in between the axis, whereas dz square and dx square y square, the lobes are arranged along the axis, children. Right? This is the topic, children. Thank you one and all.